Hey, what's up, 101? Chris Coons here, one of my video for the Fernando Tatis lot. I want to thank you guys for getting in. Let's get us a winner, get these shipped out for you guys tomorrow. Alright, we got Dave for 2, Melvin for 1, Olson for 2, Dave for another one, Knowles for 1, Melvin for 1, Knowles for another one, and Waka for the final one. There we go. I'm going to go live. Live time 6:28, current time 6:28. Drop this in random.org. Alright, we're going to roll the dice. Anything over Snake Eyes gets us going. Dice roll at 6:28. Here we go. And we're going 3 times. Nice and easy. Alright, good luck everyone. First time coming at 6:28. First time we got Knowles. Second time we got Knowles. Third and final winner is Melvin. Takes it with spot number 3. Congratulations, Melvin. 6:29, spot number 3. Going to come back here. We are going to go done. Our done time is 6:29. Our current time is 6:29. Thank you guys very much and enjoy the rest of your Tuesday or Wednesday night. I might post some more stuff up soon. I got to go through and see what I got. But, all right, let's try to get this group going. Everybody start posting stuff. I'll buy in. All right, talk to you later.